Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here at SMT Nuremberg 2014. I'm joined by Luca Corli from Seica. Luca, good to see you again.
Good to see you, Phil.
How are you? How's the market and how's Seica doing here, particularly in Germany at the moment?
Seica is doing okay. We are, as usual, attending this show because we feel is very important for us to take care to this part of Europe. You know, this show is good for Germans, but also for some customers coming from Eastern Europe. And as usual, we have some Italians coming because Italians are traveling a lot. So we are here to promote our solutions for flying probe, for functional tests, for ICT, and we have some good stuff to show.
And people seem to be doing more and more ICT, more and more going on in that area. Is that something you're seeing more in Germany or just as much in Eastern Europe? Or
ICT market is really changing and let me say is downsizing. I mean, the size of the tester is getting smaller. Customers are demanding something cheap and small to test small products. It's an interesting idea that we are following with a new product called Mini 80, which is a very small tester, the size of a DVD player, basically.
Okay, and it's benchtop?
It's benchtop, it's portable, driven by a laptop. So it's very compact, very portable, and it's very good for engineering side, so designers can play with the tester when they are in the design phase, and then they can deploy in production the same unit.
Okay, so you can use it in the lab and then you can put it out.
Exactly.
Put it out in that environment. How long has that product been out?
About 6 months now. We have already a few installations in Italy, and the good news is that we have been able to sell in China.
Oh wow, okay. Yeah, I mean those kind of out of the box simple solutions seem to play very well there. The other thing that's really important to them is ease of use. Is that something you've considered there in terms of how? Absolutely.
When we talk about ICT, you know, test program generation must be just push the button and do. So we have an ATG automatic test generation in the software, and very important, it's an ICT machine, but like all other Seica testers, you can also do a little bit of functional test. So we have a graphical software where basically with 4 clicks of the mouse you can do a measurement or you can inject a signal. So it's very easy of use for customers.
Okay, and you're seeing people in China buy those in volume for a particular facility, or will they initially start with one in the lab and then
the first sale was for 2 units, one for engineering and one for production, but of course the forecast is to multiply the units in production. And the added value of this product compared to local similar products was the ability to do both in circuit and functional, not just MDA. So power up the board as well.
Okay, and the flying probe market, how's that shaping up at the moment?
With flying probe, we have here at the show our Pilot V8, which is of course our best machine. Vertical side, we talked about already in the past, double side machine, vertical orientation, and we have more and more demand to integrate new features like LED check. So we have a new mobile probe to test LEDs. Boundary scan is getting more and more popular, and onboard programming. So the ability to program digital devices during ICT, right after ICT, and before functional test.
Okay, and it's that mixture of ICT, functional test, boundary scan,
AOI,
everything, don't they?
yes.
Hybrid kind of solutions.
As you know, is like a platform of different testers combined in only one box, with automation as well.
Yeah, that makes sense. And last question, nothing to do with Seica. The Italian market, Italy is one of the countries that has had perhaps a tougher time during the downturn than most. How's manufacturing doing there? Is it starting to come back?
It's getting better. It's getting better. Last year during Productronica we had a very good signal of people being more motivated to do business, and I think in the first quarter of 2014 we had the confirmation of this. We have also small subcontractors restarting to invest or to look to a new investment. I think it's getting better, and it's really something psychological, I think, you know, because
Yeah,
if you turn on the TV and of course you heard about politics and all the stuff, and also on that side now is a little bit changed, so people are more motivated, more positive thinking.
Yeah, and that's exactly what it needs. It just needs to get some momentum back in the market, make some decisions.
We're getting worse in football and soccer when we're getting better maybe in the industry.
I don't know, I reckon you might be a dark horse for the World Cup, so we shall see on that.
We'll see.
Luca, thanks for stopping by.
Thanks, Phil.
Good luck with the rest of the show and good luck with the World Cup.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.